Is your BMW 530i's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are a faulty bonnet switch, a dead siren battery, or underlying fault codes. First, the bonnet switch can corrode or misalign, sending false signals. The siren battery, typically a 9 volts or 12 volts, depletes after 5 to 10 years, causing intermittent alarms. Finally, diagnostic trouble codes stored in the body control module or digital motor electronics can point to specific sensor or wiring issues. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for codes like P15XX or B1XXX. Addressing these areas will likely solve the issue. Remember to always consult a certified technician if unsure. Now let's get into fixing these issues. For the bonnet switch, inspect it for corrosion and proper alignment. Clean any corrosion with electrical contact cleaner or replace the switch entirely with an aftermarket part to save money. To replace the siren battery, locate the siren unit, usually in the engine bay, and swap out the old battery. When dealing with fault codes, use your OBD2 scanner to clear any irrelevant or old codes that may be triggering the alarm. If the alarm continues, the code is still relevant and additional investigation is needed. Resetting the system via the key fob, pressing lock-unlock 3 times, can also help after making repairs. Remember, preventative maintenance is key. Check these components regularly to avoid future alarm issues. If DIY isn't your thing, a professional diagnosis is always recommended.